Hello, and welcome to a video on maintenance for Grade 12 Essential Maths Vehicle Finance Unit. When you own a vehicle, it costs money to keep that vehicle running. You need to put gas in your car in order to drive it. You may also need to repair it or do regular maintenance such as oil changes or even put in washer fluid. When you take your vehicle to a shop, you need to pay a couple of different costs. You will need to pay costs for parts as well as labor. If you're able to repair your vehicle yourself, you won't have to pay for labor, you'll only have to pay for the parts for it. So how do you calculate your maintenance cost or your cost to repair a vehicle when you take it to a shop? Let's look at an example. First thing, take a look at your tax chart that you have. Your tax chart, if you notice, has a line for materials and labor. Both materials and labor have both PST and GST on it. This has changed in the past couple years. Now they both have both taxes, which makes our lives a little bit easier for this question. So what's this look like? Well, let's say we have a friend named Hajun who is taking his truck to the repair shop. He needs a new rad and a new headlight. Awesome. We've got details in our question here. How would we calculate this? We're looking for the total amount he'll need to pay. Notice it says after taxes. So, starting off, let's figure out how much labor he requires. For both the radiator and the headlights, together, those will take him 2 hours worth of labor, and labor is charged at $85 an hour. $85 an hour may seem like a lot. In my experience, that's actually on the low side for shop rates. In any case, 2 hours times $85 an hour works out to $170 worth of labor. The parts, we can add both of those together. So we have $650 for the radiator and $10 for the headlight, and that works out to a total of $660. There we go. We can add these together and create a subtotal first. So our subtotal in this case is $830. Both of these have both taxes on them, so we can take our $830 times 1.12 because we want the total including tax. There's a hint. Including tax means that you have a 1 out front here. And that works out to a grand total of $929.60. So there is our total for maintenance for Hajun's repair here. When you take a vehicle in for maintenance, there may be a lot of other things that you need to do. There may be damage to your vehicle. It may need body repair. It may need glass repair. There's a whole range of different types of maintenance. They all will cost you different amounts for parts and it take different times to repair them. One thing that you can do to make sure that you lower the amount of maintenance you have to pay on your car when something breaks is to make sure that you do regular scheduled maintenance, such as oil changes and lubrications. Make sure that you're changing your oil regularly. That will help prevent wear and tear on your engine, and that will mean that you spend less on emergency maintenance if your car gets damaged or your engine stops working. And you don't want to be stuck out in the middle of a Manitoba winter with your engine not working. That is just unfortunate. I hope that you have a great day, and thank you for watching our videos on vehicle finance.